Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the world of precision cooking with the INKBIRD 2.4G Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker ISV-200W. If you've ever wanted to achieve restaurant-quality results in your own kitchen with minimal effort, this device might just be your new best friend. Let's break down what makes this sous vide machine tick. First off, the headline feature here is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. This means you can connect the INKBIRD ISV-200W to your home network via its dedicated INKBIRD app. What does this translate to in practice? It means you can set your desired temperature and cooking time, and then monitor the entire process right from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Stuck at work but want to start dinner? No problem. Want to check on that roast while you're out running errands? You can do it. The app even allows you to designate up to 100 other users as administrators, which is a pretty neat feature if you want to share the monitoring capabilities with family members. This remote control aspect really elevates the convenience factor, making sous vide cooking more accessible and less of a hands-on commitment. Now, let's talk about the core function, temperature and time control. The INKBIRD ISV-200W boasts an impressive temperature range, from 32 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 90 degrees Celsius. This covers a vast array of cooking possibilities, from delicate fish to tougher cuts of meat. The accuracy is also a key selling point, with a reported precision of 1 degree Fahrenheit or 0.1 degrees Celsius. This high level of accuracy is crucial for sous vide, as it's the precise temperature that dictates the final texture and doneness of your food. The timer function goes up to an astounding 100 hours, which is more than enough for even the longest slow cooking experiments. You can truly set it and forget it, trusting that your meal will be cooked to perfection. Safety and user experience are clearly important considerations for INKBIRD. This cooker includes a low water level alarm and protection system. If the water level drops below the minimum mark, the machine will stop operating and alert you, preventing damage to the unit and ensuring your food isn't exposed. Additionally, it alerts you when the target temperature has been reached, so you know exactly when to put your food in. The app also provides timely notifications, ensuring you're always in the loop. They also emphasize ease of use and a quiet operation. The clamp mechanism allows you to easily attach it to most pots, and the setup process is straightforward. Just fill your pot, seal your food in a bag, clip on the circulator, set your desired temperature and time, and let it work its magic. The app is also stocked with recipes, and you can even create and save your own custom recipes, which is a fantastic feature for experimenting. Under the hood, this machine packs a punch with its 1000W heating element. This powerful output means it can heat water relatively quickly and then maintain that precise temperature consistently for extended periods. The stainless steel column and high-end heating element are designed for durability, suggesting this unit is built to last and handle regular use. The ultra-quiet claim is also a welcome one, as you don't want a noisy appliance disrupting your kitchen environment. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Wi-Fi connectivity and app control are a significant advantage, offering unprecedented convenience and remote monitoring. The wide temperature range and high accuracy are essential for excellent sous vide results. The timer's extended capacity and the built-in safety features like the low water alarm are also big wins. The power of the 1000W heating element ensures efficient operation, and the durable construction, including the stainless steel, bodes well for longevity. The inclusion of recipes in the app and the ability to create custom ones adds a great deal of value. Now for potential downsides, though they are relatively minor. While the app is a great feature, reliance on Wi-Fi means if your network is unstable, you might lose that remote functionality. Some users might prefer a simpler, button-only interface if they don't intend to use the smart features, but that's a matter of personal preference. The maximum water level capacity would depend on the pot you use, of course, and that's not a limitation of the cooker itself. In conclusion, the INKBIRD 2.4G Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker ISV-200W is a very compelling option for anyone looking to elevate their home cooking. It strikes an excellent balance between advanced technology and user-friendly operation, offering precise temperature control, robust safety features, and the invaluable convenience of remote monitoring. Whether you're a seasoned sous vide enthusiast or just starting to explore this cooking method, this INKBIRD circulator is definitely worth considering for its performance, features, and overall value. Link in the description.